My name's Preetras. I'm a physiotherapist by profession, but I've been full-time in property now since January this year. I joined the academy in November last year, and it's been a whirlwind since then. I've been doing things that I never would have dreamed that I would do otherwise. Yeah,
So you've got a property business now.
I do, yes. So I do serviced accommodation. I started off with a block of 12 flats in March this year, and now we've gone on to 14, from 0 to 14 properties within a space of 2 months. So it's been a crazy whirlwind journey. It's opened my eyes in doing things I never would have thought possible. Taking on a block of 12 flats, taking on another 2 properties within the same month. I think it's just such a can-do place. If you put your mind to doing something, there's the support here to help you do it. The network is just amazing. Yeah. Sorry, say that again?
Tell me what it's like working with Samuel. What's his energy like?
It's just amazing in terms of the support that you get. No matter what you want to do, there's someone here to help you. There's no glass ceiling in what you want to do. I just can't, I've been raving about it to other people as I wouldn't have done anything. I wouldn't have dreamt of doing things that I'm doing now had I not had the support and the network around me.
If you're starting out in property, what would you recommend?
I think if you're serious about property, you've got to be in a place where you can achieve your dreams. And the academy is one such place where everyone is there to support you, no matter, if you're starting out or if you're a seasoned investor. To have that network, it's just amazing.